We are excited. It's 2023, the centennial year for St. Mary Medical Center.
2023 is a big year for St. Mary.
I'm very excited about St. Mary being here for over 100 years.
100 years old.
100 years that this amazing organization has been serving the greater Long Beach community.
The Sisters of Charity of the Incarnate Word came to Long Beach in 1923 and began the ministry of St. Mary.
We had initially 13 sisters who came out, being our nurses and administrators, and they opened the hospital with a sense of calling, and that still runs true in many different ways.
We've cared for more than 3 million patients.
A lot of people don't know the history. St. Mary's did the first open heart surgery. They had the first dialysis.
It was the first to put a pacemaker into a patient in Long Beach.
We have a good history of being the first in a lot of different areas.
I first became familiar with St. Mary Medical Center in 1964 when I was hired as a registered nurse. The hospital is very important to the community. In essence, the mission statement simply states that they take care of everyone. They turn no one away.
The amazing thing about St. Mary is that everybody is welcome.
It doesn't make a difference what color, what race, what sex, or whatever. We treat everybody the same, whether you're rich or whether you're poor.
70% of our patients are either uninsured or underinsured. So we're taking care of people who oftentimes don't have access to health care except at St. Mary.
We look at patients coming in not in terms of their socioeconomic status, but what are their needs and how can we help them?
The Care Center is the largest provider of HIV services here in the South Bay. We have about 1,600 patients that are HIV positive and about 400 patients who are HIV negative but at high risk for becoming HIV positive.
Care has a food bank and people come every week.
A lot of people, when they think about hospitals and healthcare, they think about what takes place inside the hospital, right? Inside those four walls. But programs like Families in Good Health are programs that actually go out into the community and meet individuals where they are.
In the Low Vision Center, we have children getting their vision tested from the time they're 5 until they're 18. If they need glasses, we get them glasses.
They can read and they can learn and they can make their life better from just a pair of glasses.
We have a level 2 trauma center at St. Mary.
To be a level 2 trauma center means that we have the capability and resources to attend to very complex traumatic injuries.
St. Mary is a disaster resource center, and we have a coordinator here who helps with the stockpiling of key and essential equipment and supplies, and they would respond not just to infectious disease epidemics or things like COVID, but if we had a big disaster like an earthquake.
The Comprehensive Stroke Center is very important to this community.
People with really devastating strokes actually walk out of this facility, and it's been really great to see that.
We do so many things here at the hospital, and we do them well.
When you talk about the staff, you think about the years that many of the staff members have been here. When nurses and other individuals come to work here, they stay here.
We have a great team. We work together really well.
I like coming to work. I really enjoy that camaraderie. My coworkers are like my other family.
We're a family, and you help your family. You see the little things that they might need, or you see the things that the hospital might need to be able to do something better, and you want to make sure that you're a part of that change.
I feel like I'm part of a family. It really is part of our culture.
It starts with the idea that this has never been a business. It's a mission.
I can't think of my job as a job. I really do feel like it is some sort of mission or calling, being able to love people for who they are no matter what.
We make Long Beach better by what we do and by how we do it. That's what we've been doing for 100 years. Every time a baby is born, no matter what time of day it is, Brahms' lullaby is played. Music comes over the loudspeaker.
It makes you stop and pause and just immediately you have a smile on your face because you realize that a new life has come into the world and that, we're part of that.
Everyone is just amazed at how blessed we have been that we've been able to provide service for so long. Coming up on 100 years is really a hallmark.
Happy 100th anniversary, St. Mary Medical Center.
Congratulations on 100 years.
Happy anniversary.
Happy 100th anniversary, St. Mary.
Thank you for all that you've done for the last 100 years in our community.
Congratulations on 100 years
of dedicated, passionate healthcare to the city of Long Beach.
Happy 100th anniversary, St. Mary's. You deserve it.
So glad to be a part of this adventure.
Happy 100th anniversary,
St. Mary.
Happy 100th birthday, St. Mary.
Happy 100th anniversary,
St. Mary. And here's to another 100 years.
Happy anniversary to St. Mary's on 100 years here. We're all going to celebrate some way, someplace, another 100 years from now.